Good morning, students. So today we are going to see that is 6 marks problem compulsory for exam. 6 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ and it's easy also. Okay, that is calculation of interest on drawing under product method. Yes, product method. So ನಿಮ್ಮ question bank ಇದು so far in last week I had explained on problems on profit and loss appropriation account. So 4 problems were there. We have solved that all 6 marks questions they were. Now next one is problems on calculation of interest on drawing. So the question will come like this. See this, Yashasvi and Tapasvi are partners in the firm during the year ended of 31st March 2016. Then Yashasvi has made drawings. ಇದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, and interest charged is 12% they have told. Calculate the interest of drawing of Yashasvi under product method. Whenever they give this word product method, you have to do like this, what I'm telling now. Once again I'm repeating this product word method nodi. Product word andre like this you have to do. First of all, very important, you have to write the heading. Heading illa andre 1 marks will be deducted. So write calculation of interest on Yashasvi's drawing year ending 31/3/2016. They have told in the questions here. You have to calculate of Yashasvi. Yes, interest on drawing of Yashasvi. Same thing, right? Year ending you have to write 31/3/2016. ಈಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ಡೇಟ್, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ rupees, period months you should write here. This is months. Then product bariri. So date, amount rupees, period idu months, product. Date ee 3 date illinda copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ this 3 dates are given, no? 1/8, 31/12, 31/3. ಈ 3 ಡೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ. It is better to leave one line. It looks neat. Okay? Yes. Amount ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ same. ಇದು amount ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, same just copy and write. See, I'm writing. What is here? First is 5,000, 10,000, right here? See, 5,000. Then I'm writing 10,000. Then next what it is? Yes, it is 15,000. See, I have written. Okay? Yes. Now period. This is the most important part, student. You have to calculate. I will tell you a trick. Always you should compare this date and the year ending date. ಈ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿ ಇಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ 1/8 ಅಂತ. 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಮಂತ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? ಸಿ ಜಾನ್ವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್, ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್, ಮೇ, ಜೂನ್, ಜುಲೈ, ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್. ಸೊ 1st of August till 31/3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು? ಮಾರ್ಚ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ how many months ಆಯಿತು? 1st of August. So August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. How many it became? Yes, 8 ಆಯಿತು. When it is right here, it is 088. I'll tell once again. 1/8/2015 it is. 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು? ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 8 ಇಂದ 31/3/2016 ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 8 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್, ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್, ನವೆಂಬರ್, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್, ಜಾನ್ವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 months. 8 I wrote. Okay? Yes. Now next what they are telling? 31/12. See, 12 andre which month, students? Yes, 12 andre December. We know that. Year, month end. So 31st ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೇಸ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಯಾವತ್ತು 31st ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡನ್. 31st ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಂತ್ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಈಗ 1st ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 1st August ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್. ಈಗ 31st ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಆದ ನಂತರದ ಯಾವುದು? ಪುನಃ ಜಾನ್ವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್, ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 31/12. 31 ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಮಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್. 12 ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 31. So month ಆಯ್ತದು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ because the days of the December are already finished. So after December again January, February, March. So total is 3 I'm writing. Okay, March ಗೆ you always have to end because year end ಇದೆ March 31st. Next one, see students, 31/3/2016. 3 andre which? Yes, March. 31 same date it is 31/3/2016. Year end also 31/3/2016. That means there is no gap only. That means months are very good. It is 0. It's very, very important problem, students. Very important problem. Okay. So once again I will tell this months part. 8 andre August. So e August inda e month end calculate maadi. So August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 8. 31st 12. 12 andre December. Adre when it is 31st andre month our days month idu days aitu. Month end adu. So December tagollik agudilla. So it is January, February, March. So 3. Then 31/3. This is March, the same year end date. So madhyadalli days illa. So it is 0. Now next step is product. Product ಏನilla, you have to just multiply these both. Amount and period multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So 5,000 into 8 is how much? Use your calculator. Yes, it is 40,000. Next ಇದನ್ನು multiply with 10 into 3, that is 30,000. Next 15 into 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. Now total product andre ಇದು ಮೂರನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿ. 40 plus 30 plus 0, that is 70,000. Okay, if you want, write rupees. Now interest on drawing, this is a formula you have to write. Interest on drawing is equal to, students, total product into rate into 1/12. See, most of the students ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ into 12 ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, it is 1 divided by 12. So total product ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 70,000. 70,000 into rate is what? Rate question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See here, rate is given here 12%. So 12 upon 100 into 1 upon 12. Multiply mari, use your calculator when you do. See, this 12 goes, 0 0 cancel. So 700 is the answer. Very important to write rupees. If you don't write rupees, your 1 marks will be deducted. Okay, so this was the solution. Fine, the first problem. Now I'm going to continue with the next problem. Second problem will solve. Yes. So second problem is, students, see, Sahana and that is Sania are partners. Sahana's drawings are given like this. Calculate interest on Sahana's drawing. 8%. 8% ante. Year end enu 31st March 2017. Under product method. Product method ande you should do like this. See, it's a very, very important question, student. It always asks for exam. So always write the heading. Calculation on interest on drawing of Sahana's year end 31/3/2017. Idu question alli ide. You don't have to by heart anything. Calculation on, see here it is given. Interest on Sahana's drawing also you can write. Okay, year end you write. Same method. What we have done here, date, amount, period, product. Same write. Date, amount, rupees, period, month, product. I'll repeat. Date, amount, rupees, product, period, month, product. ಡೇಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ರೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ 4,006 ರೈಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 4,000, then it is 6,000, then it is, see the question it is given 2,000, then it is 3,000. Fine. Okay, now this period you have to calculate. See, this month ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಟೈಮಿಂದ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಂತ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಂತ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ನಾವು ಸಿ 1/6 ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ 1/6 ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಮಂತ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಸಿ, ಜಾನ್ವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್, ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್, ಮೇ, ಜೂನ್. ಜೂನ್ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಜೂನ್ 6 ಟಿಲ್ 31st 3 ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜೂನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಯರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜೂನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್. ಈಗ 31st ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೂನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಮಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಯೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಜೂನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ, ಜೂನ್, ಜುಲೈ, ಆಗಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್, ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್, ನವಂಬರ್, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್, ಜಾನ್ವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಎಸ್, 10 ಆಯಿತು. ಸಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ 10. Yes, I'll repeat once again. 1 6 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೂನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ 31st 3 ಆಫ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 2017 ಹಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ಜೂನ್, ಜುಲೈ, ಆಗಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್, ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್, ನವೆಂಬರ್, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್, ಜಾನ್ವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 10 ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 39. ಈಗ 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಮಂತ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? Yes, it is September, isn't it? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Alva 9 say. So September 30. 30 andre year month end adu. It is not first, it is 30. 30 andre September month ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ because September month is already finished because it is 30th. It's not 1 year. So September don't take. September ಅಲ್ಲ, September ಆದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವುದು? September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So how many aitu? 6. So right here. Once again I will tell this. 39. Iga 9 andre September month. So September month 30. 30 andre it is end of September. So you cannot include September. So September aad nantra yaudu next? Yes, October, November, December, January, February, March. Total 6 aitu. Yes. Now next. 30 11 students, 11 andre which month? Yes, 11 andre November. Okay, adre 30 ide. 30 andre it is year end alva adu. So I will just write this 9 was September. It is just for your understanding. Exam ge barilikilla idu. If you write they will not cancel marks, so just for your understanding I am writing. 11 andre yes, it is 11 is November. Adre 30th it is. 30th andre month end agide, so you cannot include November. Okay, if it was 1 then you would have taken November because November month is not done. Adre this 11 30 ide andre November finish agide. November aad nanತರ which month now? November, December, January, February, March. So total how many aitu? 4. Yes, I will repeat this once again. 30 11 andre students November. That is 30th of November. November month is done. It is not 1st November, it is telling 30th of November. So November is done. November aad nanತರ yes, December, January, February, March. 4 months. So I have written here 4. Next ಏನಇದೆ students? 1 andre ಯಾವುದು? Always 1 andre first. That is January. Okay. January 1st ante. It is not 31st. So January month ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So January, February, March. how many ಆಯ್ತು? Yes, 3. I'll tell this once again. 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಂಗಳು ಯಾವುದು? Yes, January 1st ante. So January month ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದು 31st ಇದ್ರೆ January we could not take. ಅದು this is first ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So January 1st, January, February, March ಗೆ I am stopping because year ends in March. So 3. Now easy. Now multiply this. Product you have to do. Multiply this. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? Yes, that is 40,000. 6 6 are 36,000. Then go to the 8,000. Then it is the 9,000. Yes. Now add this all. Idannu add ಮಾಡಿ. Total product ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Total product, add this. When you add you will get yes 93,000. Use your calculator please. Yes. Now write the interest on drawing. Write this formula. Interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate into 1/12. Once again student, please write 1 divided by 12. Many students write into 12. Adu wrong. 1 divided by 12. So total product andre idu 93,000 into rate is ಏನಇದೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ rate ನೋಡಿ 8% ante. So 8/100 into 1/12. That will give you how much students? Multiply. Yes, 620. Please write rupees. If you don't write rupees, your 1 mark is deducted. Yes, thank you so much.